guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making an americano, a decaf americano on the Breville espresso machine. It's about 4:30 right now, so decaf. Let's get into it. First we're going to start by measuring coffee. We're using decaf, so we're going to do about 18 grams, and we're going to grind it around 9 to 11. $18 grams in here. A little while now. You turn it on, put this in, make sure that it heats up all the way and it's nice and warm so it turns out better. We're going to mix it with this little thing we actually made ourselves. It's a cork and just some needles, pretty long ones actually. I like to kind of scrape it away from the edges so that when you take this part off, it's not going to all fall out. Tap it a couple times in moving in one direction, not back and forth. Just about at the edge of the counter so it kind of hangs off, makes it easier. Push down until it kind of starts pushing back. Just like that. Lock it in. Now we're going to put the scale on here, making sure that it's not touching this side of the machine so that it's weighing it properly. We're going to stop it at about 45 grams. $45 grams right on the dot. Looking pretty good. I'm going to run this through to clean it off a little bit. Push this button, it's going to bring a little bit of hot water through for an americano. There we go. There you have it. Freshly made at home, decaf. It's about 4:30. Nice drink, good coffee. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and you can comment down below if you have any video ideas or anything like that. Cheers, and I'll see you guys next time.